Hello guys, welcome back. This is Jeet and you're watching IndieCuber. Well, I hope you must have subscribed my channel already. If you did not, then please go and hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell icon and write down in the comment section I subscribed. Well, let's continue with the views here. Today I'm going to tell you a very well known method. Over the YouTube it's very popular with the universal method, but actually that is not a universal method. This is a false scramble. But if you have expertise and if you are fast with the cubing, then you can make it very easily.
Okay, so with this video I'm going to tell you the scramble first and the moves. So please note down the scramble which are given in the bottom. So you can try it from this side as well. If you are expert, you can try it from any side. So this will be D, L prime twice, R prime twice, U, L two times, U prime twice, R2, U, L prime two times, U prime, B2, U prime 2, F prime, L prime, R prime 2, D, U prime 2 times, B, R, T prime, R prime 2 times, and D prime 2 times. To understand that you have done the scramble properly, the position will be here you have an L, here is in line, and here is also in line. So the moment you will get this, put this cube like this, and then here white is facing my face. Now U, R prime, then turn the next block. Here you have rotate the cube at the right side. Now R, U, R prime. Now you have got a complete block here. Turn the cube like this, then L prime, U, L, R, U prime, R prime. Now you are done with the entire cube, left with these pieces, these 4 pieces. So for this you will have to do is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, 2 times R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F. And here is your cube solved. So this is the best method if you want to make a move. You can learn this method and you can solve the cube anytime. This isn't false scramble. You can use anywhere, anytime, any place, and you can shout out the people that yes, you are able to solve the cube in shortest time ever. I believe guys you must have learned something new by watching this video, and if yes, then please do subscribe my channel, hit out the like button, share my videos, and support us growing with the all new solutions on Rubik's Cube. Well, I'm soon going to present the solution for 4x cube. Well, this is not a pro cube, so this might take time. It has several parts which I will show you in the video. Also, I will taught you the parity removal methods as well. There are n number of methods to remove the parity on corners and edges, so that I'm going to teach you there as well. Also, I will tell you some hidden moves on Rubik's Cube 3x3 for these sort of instructions when you have only the center correction. Well, thank you so much guys for watching the video and supporting me. I am expecting a better response over this channel. Thank you so much. Stay with us. Wait for the next upcoming video. Stay well. God bless you.